Alright, let's make a juice recipe for a 3-day gut detox. For this recipe, we're going to be using the new Auto 10 Plus. But considering this is going to be a small batch juice recipe, we're going to remove the extension and just use the base hopper. First ingredient we're going to use is apples. We're going to use 3 Gala apples and 3 Granny Smith. Fresh pressed apple juice is one of the best things you can drink for your gut. They contain soluble fiber, and this is going to be amazing for prebiotic support for your gut. Luckily with the Auto 10, I don't really have to do too much prepping. I can kind of just load up my juicer and just let the juicer do its thing. In addition to me just being able to let the juicer do its thing, having the extension option is the best thing ever. This gives you variety and gives you the option to make juice up to 128 ounces, which is a gallon, or you can make juice up to 2 or 4 ounces, which would be a wellness shot. For the finishing ingredients, I squeezed a fresh lemon. I added a couple of dashes of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon is going to help regulate blood sugar, help with better absorption, and help with immunity. This recipe together made about 18 ounces of juice, and it tastes amazing. So if you like juicing, be sure to save this for your next juice recipe.